noma kanjani nje ngaphandle kongabaza, the most complete player we've ever had in South African football, the most complete midfielder I've ever had in South African football is Tebogo Mokoena. That guy is very strong. He doesn't lack pace. He can defend, he can attack, he can pass, he can dribble. Aerially, he's very strong. He scores penalties, except when he comes up against Chain. But, of course. But he scores a lot of penalties as well. He scores free kicks, long-range passes, link-up play, long-range shots at goal. Like, he does everything. He's a whole package. When they talk about a full package, that guy can do everything on the field of play. He's got both defensive and attacking capabilities. Abantu bengakhuluma ukuthi khona ama-greats, maybe ngakhuluma ngabo Jomo Sono, but uJomo couldn't defend. Tebogo Mokoena can do everything. Ungakhuluma ngabo Nengomasha, Nengomasha doesn't score goals. Tebogo Mokoena Tebogo does everything. The closest player in terms of being complete to Tebogo Mokoena is Oupa Manyisa, but the only thing I'm shy ngayo ukuthi Tebogo can score free kicks. Aerially, he's much stronger than Umanyisa. Umanyisa, how many headers did he score? Ngikhuluma ngo-Dr. Khumalo, Dr. can't defend. Dr. Foot is not known for shooting from outside the area. Who can do everything, who can take corner kicks, who can defend, who can pass, Tebogo Mokoena is the most complete player. You can go back and ask how many generations back. Is the most complete player I've ever had in South African football. Lokho ngusho without any shadow of a doubt, without fear or favor. Tebogo Mokoena is the most complete player we've ever seen in South African football. Danko.